Good morning, students. Today we will start first the difference between accuracy and precision. Let's understand the meaning of accuracy and precision because there is a very important to know the difference between accuracy and precision. Okay. Accuracy is the closeness of a measurement of the to the true value of the physical quantity. Suppose exact value of physical quantity is 5.3 kg. Okay. Then if I measure the value of this quantity, but I am measuring 5.1, or at another time I am measuring 4.5. Okay, so this value is near to this value, but this value is more away from that value. Okay, means there is a less difference between this and this, and there is a more difference between this and this. So it has more accuracy. Okay, so accuracy is the closeness of a measurement to the true value. It is a closeness of the measurement to the true value. There is a closeness, but there is not so closeness. So this time its accuracy is more as compared to this. Okay. Next, precision. Up to what number we can measure the value? Suppose exact weight is 5.357 kg. Okay. So if I am measuring the weight of this body, then if I am getting the value 5.2, okay, and another time I am getting the value 5.27, then I am getting there 2 digit after this decimal point. If I am getting these 2 digits, but at that time I am getting only 1 digit. So there is a better resolution. Means we can find the more difference. Okay, we can estimate the more accuracy of the instrument by these 2 digits. So this is more precision. Okay, because I am measuring up to 2 digit. Here I am measuring up to 1 digit. So it is more precise. So it has more precision. So precision is the limit to which the quantity is measured. Precision is determine the least count of the measuring instrument. Means up to what point we are getting the value. Suppose I am getting 5.273. So it is more precise. Okay. So means it has least count. It has more least count numbers. Means this instrument may be up to 1 point least count, and this instrument may be up to 3 point least count. So what do you mean by least count? Suppose if I am taking the scale, then what do you mean by the least count value? Suppose in the scale we have 10 divisions between 1 centimeter. Suppose 9 to 10 I have 10 divisions. 9 to 10 I have 10 division. Okay. So suppose I am measuring 9.5 centimeter. Okay. Any line segment here I am measuring 9.5 centimeter. Okay. Because there is only 10 divisions between the 9 and 10. If it has more resolution, then we can measure also the between. We can also measure the value between these physical quantities. Suppose like if there are points, suppose between these 2 points there are further divisions. Suppose 9.1 to 9.2. Okay, there are 10 divisions further, so that I can better measure the values. So resolution means there are further divisions. If there are further divisions, suppose if I am writing in the scale, I can measure only up to 1 point. Suppose 9.5. Okay, I can measure up to 1 point. Suppose 9.5 centimeter. Okay, because it has only least count up to 1 means 0.1. Okay, 0.1 centimeter means for the scale you can say least count is 0.1 centimeter. If you have scale up to another decimal point, suppose in 9 to up to 9 to 10 we have 10 divisions. We also have divisions between 9 to 9.1 up to 10 divisions. Then we can say it has least count 0.01 centimeter. Okay, clear? Means more points shifted in the least count, more precision will be there. Okay, so here is the examples. For a length of 3.678, if I measure the value and I am getting the value 3.5 centimeter, okay, and next time I am getting 3.38. So what is the difference between these two values? Listen carefully. Here first time value is 3.5, so it has more accuracy because it is near to true value. Okay, next time it has difference between the difference is more between the true value and measured value, so accuracy is less. But in this reading precision is more because it has least count up to 0.01, but in this least count is 0.1. so when the least count is greater, means up to greater digit, then precision is more. In this reading precision is more, accuracy is less. But in this reading accuracy is more, precision is less. Clear? Why precision is less in this reading? Because it gives value up to 1 decimal. But why precision is more in this value? Because it is giving reading up to 2 digits. Okay, after decimal point. Okay, why it has more accuracy? Because it is giving value near to the true value. Why it has less accuracy? Because it is giving the value far away from the true value. So it has less accuracy, more accuracy, less precision and more precision. Clear?